Timberlink Bell Bay is just over 64 hectares in size. On site we have just over 220 employees currently employed here. From a dispatching point of view, we have a dispatch team here which operates loading trucks during the day shift and picking orders of a night time. Primarily those orders are going up to the mainland, but we also do make sure that we do protect the Tasmanian market down here as well from loading out locally.
At Timberlink Bell Bay, we have approximately 50 to 60 trucks delivered to the site every day. Logs are unloaded from the trucks and separated and stored in different areas of the yard. Our loader operators will load the logs onto the deck into the green mill to be processed through the saws.
The log is put into position, it's cut through the primary breakdown, it turns into a cant, it's scanned again to make sure it's still in the right position and put through the gang. The timber is then sorted by size, stacked, and then ready to be dried.
Our kilns are heated by steam generated from sawdust and shavings. They are highly efficient and the drying process takes around 16 hours to complete.
The process for our dry mill is putting our racks of timber onto the infeed that will go through our sorting line and will end up in a bin of the same grade timber to be then packed out and sent out for sale. New to site is our finger joint process. So the process for us is to recover timber that would necessarily not be used, and that allows us to essentially glue a board to make nearly 7 metres in length.
So the sharp house is really where all the magic happens. We start off with a process of balancing knives, and then we put the knives into our cutter heads. From there, cutter heads will go onto a grinder. The head will be put into storage, and then when need be, senior machinists will then change the head out on the planer.
We are using reclaimed material, shavings from the dry mill, and recycled HDPE to make wood plastic composite products, such as decking and screening. We are melting the plastic and mixing it with the sawdust and putting in other additives.
I joined the business because it was a new startup, going from starting, seeing it put together, doing the commissioning, and then going into production now.
Timberlink is one of Australia's leading plantation pine manufacturers. We have over 600 employees across Australia and New Zealand, with large-scale manufacturing facilities across Bell Bay, Tasmania and Tarpeena in South Australia. If you're interested in working at Timberlink in Bell Bay, please reach out to me at careers@Timberlink Australia.